Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So as we have seen, we have an option to comment on Instagram stories. I'm not saying about the reply option which go in inbox. This is about the comment section. So if you have commented something in Instagram story, how to delete that, I will show you in my mobile screen. So open your Instagram and I will select this story here, and you can see the comment section here. So I will click here comment. So to delete this you have to press and hold here and click on delete. So it is deleted now. So if it is still showing, you have to close your app and reopen, then you will find it is deleted. It take couple of seconds. So for this I have to reopen this my app. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.